Hey guys, today I will show you everything you need to know about Bridgefy app. So let's dive in. If you're looking for a way to message people without Wi-Fi or mobile data, Bridgefy might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll review how the Bridgefy app works, what it's good for, and where it falls short. Bridgefy is an offline messaging app that lets you chat with other users nearby using Bluetooth. It was designed for situations where internet access is unavailable, like concerts, protests, natural disasters, or even remote areas. When you open the app, it looks pretty simple. You create a username, turn on Bluetooth, and it automatically scans for nearby users. You can send messages directly to people within range, usually up to 100 meters, depending on your surroundings. What's interesting is that Bridgefy uses mesh networking. That means your message can hop through other users' devices to reach someone farther away. So even if someone is out of your direct Bluetooth range, your message might still get to them if there are others in between. One major benefit is that it doesn't need an internet connection, which makes it useful in emergencies or areas with poor signal. The app is also free, lightweight, and easy to set up. But let's talk about the downsides. First, it only works if other people around you also have the app. If no one nearby is using Bridgefy, then you're basically offline with no way to message. Also, it's not end-to-end encrypted, which raises privacy concerns if you're using it in sensitive situations. So, overall, Bridgefy is a creative solution for offline communication. It's not meant to replace your main messaging apps, but it can be super helpful in specific situations where traditional networks fail. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.